Sarah, these look more like buzzwords than practical techniques. TDD, ATD, BDD. And what's this DevOps you keep mentioning? Sarah, these look more like buzzwords than practical techniques. TDD, ATDD, BDD. And what's this DevOps you keep mentioning?
Buzzwords. Yes, but also cornerstones of modern testing. Let's start with the basics. How do you think testing influences development?
Well, it catches mistakes, prevents bugs from reaching the customer.
True, but testing can do so much more. It can drive development. Imagine writing the tests before the code.
Wait, tests before the code? Isn't that like designing the house by drawing the floor plan after you've picked the furniture?
Not exactly. Think of it as creating a blueprint with testing baked in from the start. That's what test-driven development, or TDD, is all about. In TDD, you write a test case first, then the code to make that test pass. Afterward, you refine both. It's like solving a puzzle one piece at a time.
I get it. The test defines the goal, and the code is how you get there. What's the difference between TDD and these other approaches, ATDD and BDD?
In ATDD, acceptance test-driven development starts even earlier. Instead of focusing just on what developers need to do, it involves the whole team.
Whole team?
Yep. Developers, testers, business folks, everyone collaborates to define acceptance criteria as tests. Then development follows those tests.
That sounds efficient. And what is BDD?
My personal favorite, BDD, behavior-driven development, is all about expressing what the system should do in plain language.
Plain language? You mean no cryptic code jargon?
Exactly. We use simple formats like given, when, then. For example, given a logged-in user, when they click log out, then they're taken to the login page.
Even I could write that.
Now, let's talk DevOps. Think of it as the marriage of development and operations, with testing as the glue that holds them together.
Sounds complicated.
It can be, but it's worth it. DevOps promotes collaboration, fast feedback, and automation. It's all about delivering high-quality software faster.
Faster, huh? So where does testing fit in?
Everywhere. DevOps thrives on continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD for short. Tests run automatically whenever code changes, catching issues early.
Like a safety net for the code base.
Exactly. But it's not just about speed. DevOps also expands our view of quality. It's not just, does the app work, but is it reliable, fast, scalable?
This all sounds amazing, but there must be challenges, right?
Of course. Setting up a DevOps pipeline takes time, effort, and the right tools. Test automation is crucial, but not easy to maintain. And no matter how much we automate, manual testing will always have a place.
Sounds like a delicate balance.
It is, but when it works, it's like a well-oiled machine. Fast feedback, fewer surprises, and happier teams.
As the day winds down, Bob and Sara head out of the office. Bob seems lost in thought. You know, Sara, this whole testing drives development thing, it's a game changer. It's not just about fixing what's broken. It's about building something right from the start.
Now you're getting it. Testing isn't a phase, it's a mindset. And once you embrace it, there's no going back.
Good. Because I think I'm starting to like this whole testing thing. So you're saying, instead of waiting for the code to be done, we start testing before there's even code. Testtactix, upskill, innovate, succeed. Want to succeed in your QA journey? Subscribe for more engaging videos like this and take your QA skills to the next level.